Today, you can monitor the distribution transformer cost-effectively and gain more than just asset protection. You also enable smart grid applications. Initiatives like conservation voltage reduction and demand-side management require real-time data from remote locations at the end of the line. This real-time data can't be obtained from less frequent meter readings. They require real-time distribution monitoring. Real-time monitoring at the distribution level also helps you manage loads, maximize asset utilization, and more efficiently handle failure conditions. And disruptive new technologies like electric vehicles and solar power require it. Today, it's important to monitor areas of your network previously considered impractical or cost-prohibitive to monitor. The residential transformer is principal among them. Since these remain comparatively low-cost items, you need a monitoring system that's affordable relative to the transformer asset. That's why a lot of major utilities have chosen Transformer IQ. Along with its accuracy and versatility, its low cost and ease of retrofit help ensure positive ROI. With Transformer IQ, monitoring a single one-phase or three-phase transformer is simple. But let's look at something a bit more challenging. A single Transformer IQ unit can monitor up to 3 phases, even if they're on separate transformers. That means you can monitor 3 single-phase transformers with one Transformer IQ unit. Let's take a closer look. It usually takes one man less than 15 minutes to install Transformer IQ on a residential transformer. We'll be demonstrating installation at the facilities of the Northwest Lineman College in Oroville, California. The Transformer IQ unit ships pre-configured. The sensors will already be integrated for quick retrofit. The Transformer IQ sensor itself attaches non-invasively to the transformer in seconds with 2 very strong 75-pound magnets. If required, RTDs also attach magnetically for measuring oil temperature. Again, a strong, secure connection. Rogowski coils, or clip-on CTs, measure current flow from the transformer. For this application, we will use the more cost-effective CTs. You attach one for each phase and the neutral. The arrow should point in the direction of the load. Transformer IQ is powered via line voltage, so it doesn't require an external power supply. For this application, the A, B, C, and neutral voltages will need to be directly connected to the Transformer IQ using the 10-gauge wires supplied. Most monitors would provide one set of data for all 3 transformers. However, the single Transformer IQ unit provides distinct data for each monitored transformer and winding. That means distinct data on each transformer's oil and winding temperature and load. You get more actionable data and more precise analysis. Cost-effective distribution transformer monitoring is becoming more critical. Smart grid efficiency, distribution automation, and demand-side management initiatives demand it. Intermittent power sources like solar power feeding into the grid and new demands like electrical vehicle charging require it as well. Now there are affordable, intelligent sensors that install non-invasively on energized assets. This makes distribution transformer monitoring both practical and affordable. Transformer IQ puts smart grid application and visibility within reach of any utility.